RMS designs and builds industry-leading roller mills and grinding equipment, trusted for decades. Our double pair mill brings that expertise together with 2 sets of precision rolls for consistent, high-capacity grinding. Let's explore the features. The Scalper Assist and Feeder removes unwanted material and feeds grain evenly into the mill. The Auto Cleaning Magnet provides continuous removal of ferrous metal for added safety. 12x52 Double Pair Mill. 2 roll sets for efficient, consistent grinding. Independent roll adjustments provide precise control over each roll gap. Product sample ports let you quickly check grind size during operation. Access cover, safe, convenient entry for maintenance. Bar grate spacing controls product flow and keeps out oversized material. Rubber paddles move product evenly across the grates and scalp off any 7/16" and larger foreign material. Auto Cleaning Magnet, working non-stop for consistent protection. Roll wear sensors monitor when rolls are becoming dull and need to be sharpened. Bearing sensors catch issues early, while Roll Gap and AccuGap keep every setting precise and repeatable. Overload spring protection, built-in defense against shock loads. Internal slope and V-blocks ensure product is directed into the nip point of the rolls. Automated roll gap adjustment control at the touch of a button. Rolls adjusting in and rolls adjusting out. Product sampling lets you check grind quality anytime. Manual grease zerks allow easy access for manual lubrication. Automatic greasing system for consistent, maintenance-free lubrication. Bearing monitoring system, protecting uptime with continuous feedback. RMS delivers more than mills. Our lineup covers every need. Pellet Mill Crumblers, controlled reduction for pellet feeds. Single pair crackers, fast, efficient grain cracking. 12x30 double pair roller grinder, balanced throughput with precision control. 12x30 triple pair roller grinder, greater flexibility for diverse grind profiles. 12x30 quad pair roller grinder for ultra-fine grind and consistency. 12x30 triple pair VersaMill, our most versatile platform for multiple applications. From double pair mills to the VersaMill, RMS delivers solutions that drive consistency, efficiency, and uptime. RMS, the grind experts.